Kumusta mga kabasketball? This is Uncle Bargoto, ang iyong tambayan para sa NBA updates at kwentuhang basketball. Ngayon, balikan natin ang isang napaka-exciting na matchup. Ang labanan sa pagitan ng Spurs standout sa pumor na Victor Wembanyama at ang Lakers star big man na si Anthony Davis. Grabe, classic battle ito at old school meets new school generational talents na nagbabanggaan. Pero bago ang lahat, let's watch the game highlights between AD and Wemby. Ready na ba kayo? Let's dive in.
Some Laker basketball hopefully get a win. Champagne down the middle goes Wemby. Throws in the Paris Olympic Games and the U.S. beat him in the gold medal match. Three for Wemby. It's amazing, yeah. He had 24 in the first half last night. And here he's just to know it. Down it goes. Now Dog really from outside. Good rebound by AD. And he said, has another one. And he says, thank you very much, LBJ, for that one.
They've got him involved in the offense to start the game.
Now it's Reeves, tough one in the corner, not tough for him. He swishes it through. Sure, there were some other bigger numbers that guys put up, but he was gonna go in the park. Slam it home, Dalton. Down the middle, and nobody was home. AD put an arm and an elbow extended out on Collins, and they let it go. Underneath AD again, kind of it goes. It goes. Counted and one. Anthony Davis goes, and he beats him tonight. Wemby trying to turn. Last night, both teams played away from here. Victor Elo, having to shoot plenty of time for Davis to get into his action. We're past the halfway mark of the quarter. Hachimura from deep and down. Davis, underneath Reeves.
Austin is a backup.
But the Lakers are at the other end and score. AD's under there. LeBron found him.
For a quick pass and a quicker dunk.
Wembanyama comes up with his second block, I believe. And they absolutely need him. Here's Castle. Wembanyama, this could go down, and it does. And they're by Wembanyama. In very deep. Look at Wembanyama. Never really controlled it. Just kind of spun it in his hand as he got near the lane. There is Wemby trying to hook back into the corner, and the Lakers bottle it up. Take it away. Run into the other end is AD. And now it's a timeout on the other end to Mitch Johnson.
Well, that's a good time. Good time.
And if they margin, look at AD.
He would force the issue.
And Davis goes in the lane. 73. After two of the worst you'll ever see in the last couple of games. Behind the head dunk on his tippy toes. 3, 2. Jay Jones wildly out of control, but that is going to count. Figures in double figures. Nobody has 20 points. Nobody, you rarely find that. Everybody between 10 and 18 right now. Wembanyama stays with it. Uh-oh, look out. Once again, Vito got himself in the middle of that.
He just
After the bucket, got 5 to shoot. 5 to shoot. A little fumble that time by AD, and it allowed Wemby.
First off, kilalanin natin si Anthony Davis, isang dominant two-way player na kayang mag-dominate sa depensa at opensa. Pero ibang level naman itong si Victor Wembanyama, at bakit naman hindi? Standing at 7'4" with guard-like skills, shooting at agility. Wemby is once-in-a-generation player. Itong matchup na to, hindi lang simpleng laro. Isa itong showcase ng future versus present kung paano magbabago ang laro sa susunod na era ng NBA. At ngayon, nakita na natin kung gaano ka-intense ang laban nila. Pag-usapan naman natin ang naging laro. Pareho silang naglaro ng mahusay para sa kanilang mga kupunan. Si Wembanyama, nagdala ng energy at versatility para si Spurs. Kita mo talaga kung gaano siya kahirap bantayan. Hitting top shots at nagbigay pa ng solid na depensa. Pero si Anthony Davis, mga kabasketball, ang tunay na nag-shine sa laban na ito. Grabe ang naging impact niya sa laro. Si AD ay nagtala ng 19 point, 14 rebounds at 7 assists. Isang all-around performance na nagpakita ng kanyang versatility bilang veteran big man. Siya ang naging malaking factor kung bakit nanalo ang Lakers sa laban. Pinakita ni AD kahit anong hype ng future stars, ang experience, leadership at skill na isang seasoned player na hindi matatawaran. Pero syempre, hindi rin nagpahuli si Victor Wembanyama. Ay nagtala ng 20 points, 10 rebounds at 2 assists. Isang napaka-solid na performance. Pinakita niya kayang-kaya niyang sumabay sa mga elite players ng liga. Kahit mas maraming punto si Wemby, ang balance ng scoring, rebounding at playmaking ni AD ang nagdala ng edge sa Lakers at nagresulta resulta sa panalo ng koponan. Ang tanong, bakit nanalo si AD sa battle na ito? Una, ginamit niya ang kanyang experience para i-capitalize ang mga lapses ni Wemby. Halimbawa, sa depensa, hindi niya pinayagan si Wembanyama na makakuha ng madadaling punto sa ilalim. Sa opensa naman, pinakita ni AD kung bakit siya ang pinakamahusay na big man sa liga ng mid-range, post moves, at hustle sa boards. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na hindi magaling si Wembanyama. Actually, kahit talo ang Spurs, makikita mong kaya niyang sumabay sa mga top-tier players. This is just the beginning for him. Kung titingnan natin mabuti ang bigger picture, ang laban na ito ay nagpapatunay na exciting ang future ng NBA. Si Wembanyama ang mukha ng future, pero si AD ang perfect example ng kasalukuyang dominance ng big men. Ang takeaway dito, napakahalaga ng experience ng high-stakes matchups. Pero ang skills at potential ng Wemby, ibang klase. Abangan natin kung paano pa siya mag-improve sa mga susunod na mga season. Kayo ba, mga kabasketball, anong masasabi niyo sa laban na ito? Tama bang si AD ang nanalo? O may mga bagay pa kayong gusto sanang makita mula kay Wemby? I-comment nyo naman dyan ang insights nyo. At kung ikaw ang coach, paano mo paghahanda ng ganitong klase ng matchup? AD na dominante o Wemby na explosive? Usap tayo sa comment section. Alright mga kabasketball, napaka-intense ng laban na ito. Props to both players for giving their best. Pero sa laban na ito, malinaw na si AD ang nagwagi. Kung gusto nyo pa ng ganitong kwentuhan at analysis, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe. This is Uncle Bardo to, nagsasabing ang laro ay hindi tungkol sa panalo, kung sa kwento sa bawat possession. Kita-kits ulit sa susunod na vlog. Salamat at enjoy basketball!